Welcome back, everybody, once again to Funkidista TV News Time. Headlines: If Biafrans are attacked again, we would have no option than to support them. Sunday Igboho. All of us know who Sunday Igboho as the leader of people agitating for the sovereign state of Oduduwa. Naim Sunday Igboho be naim there Oga Kpatakpata, their own boss when they yarn for the Oduduwa people, when they represent the Oduduwa people, just like the way when Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, they represent the Biafran people in general. So, all of us know what they happen between those people when they on uniform and the Biafran people. Now, the news they tell us now say the Igboho team, the Don boss come out. They let the APC and PDP people in Nigeria know say any attempt when those people when carry uniform for body when be Boko Haram go take attack, if they attack them again, see then when be the Yoruba people, that is the Oduduwa people, they not get any option again than to support the Biafran people. Now, it don't clear to everybody say na kuru intimidation na him that they intimidate us when be the Biafran people. Okay. But before we dive into waiting Sunday Igboho aids when we Kauki Nyan regarding the Biafran people, before we go into the reading, make we still take a look on one thing when Funky D worldwide don't they tell the IPOB and Biafran agitators, and also to the Yoruba and Oduduwa agitators, and also to all lovers of freedom in Nigeria. You get one thing when I don't they tell all of you now for a very long time now about coming together. Also, the same message I don't share to the Biafran people, the Igbo indigenous people, the Ohanezendigbodem, the people when they sabotage the effort of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu all together. I don't already share the same message to them about unity, because not only unity go make us survive this fight. Not be talking too much in social media or anywhere. I don't tell many Biafran people, including IPOB people, several times about coming together. Some people like these Asari Dokubo and Wazurike, all of them have already, shared the same message to everybody about unity, because without unity, this fight will not be survival. People when one, take away foods on top the politician's table, it won't be easy for them if they're not united. Though we don't, say the same thing before over and over again to the Oduduwa people, that is the Yoruba people, and Biafran people, that is the Igbo people, the Biafran people in general. In Biafran land, they have made a lot of states speaking and cities speaking different languages, not only Igbo dialects, a lot of towns and cities in Biafran land. So we are all one, okay? Okay, now what do they try talking about the unity between the Oduduwa people and the Biafran people? That will win everything from the Zoo government. Sunday Igboho and Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, once again, this message we don't send and go give show whatever before. making mobilizing people, joining with Sunday Igboho. Now, Sunday Igboho now, you see the power of understanding, because if the Oduduwa people not they understand our leader when we Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, they won't come out today and make such comments. Say if police or army people attack Biafran land again, they not get any other option other than to support the Biafran people, the IPOB people, indigenous people of Biafra. Okay, so they not get any other option. So you see, this will show you say everything when they preach, everything when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu they preach, they sink into their ear. Now they don't understand the meaning of coming together. And that coming together will bring about the Biafran land when all of us they fight for, and will still also bring about the actualization of Oduduwa when all of us still they fight for to come. Nobody when they believe in this same one Nigeria again. Even people when they try to patch and when the APC and PDP, they don't see men. It's not easy again for them to patch. There is no how they won't fit convince people again in Nigeria or people outside Nigeria, because Nigeria already disintegrated. Even today, Goodluck Jonathan, we go still make that video on its own. Goodluck Jonathan come and contact say Buhari not they in charge. Say that the governor, state governors, they in charge of affairs in the country. Even the state governors, when Goodluck Jonathan they claim, those people self that then feel past their Buhari. Because of the money, when they gain, they keep on patching the same thing. So where Goodluck Jonathan will come out publicly, they claim say Buhari not there. You know, see, water don't really pass Gary. So now, Sunday Igboho team, they don't claim now, see, any further attack. When army people, they attack the Biafran people. See, they not get any other option than to unite with their Biafran brothers to resist the attacks. They not see they won't fight army or they won't carry arms. You then see they not get any other option than to support the Biafran people. All of us know what support mean. Meaning say once again, everything when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu they nyan, everything when they nyan in this platform, they sink in their heads one after the other. They sink into them. Because I was so happy when I see Kauki on video, they talk this matter. Then they feel bad, then they feel pain. They know say this one are pure intimidation. Not be so country supposed to be governed. Or a country when get government when I claim say that one Nigeria, then they bomb one side. But the particular side when they commit crime, then they bomb them. The side where they bomb now, side when they very calm. So again, this message, anyone you want to see, whether you be IPOB agitators, whether you be Oduduwa agitators, whether you be Yoruba agitator, whether you be APC or PDP, whether you be any political party in anywhere in Nigeria there, waiting for Kidi they talk, they say, coming together, unity, unite. If IPOB, Biafran people, Oduduwa, Yoruba people, okay, then come together. Ladies and gentlemen, it won't take a week. Biafra and Oduduwa will be actualized, whether you like it or not. Hate it or love it. It won't take 1 week. The too much talk when people they talk on social media, when they get people annoyed, go stop quick. So make we always pull action and talk less. Because the time when the Northerners they do what they do, they don't talk too much. I don't tell you that this same thing before. The Northern people when they claim say that them be the Fulani people, they not they talk too much talk like the way when we Biafrans and Oduduwa people they talk. Their own they follow action first before they even can tell you what be their mind. Action first. Even when they construct this their railway from the north to Niger Republic, that one don't show you say something is going on in the north. Don't feel say those people are quiet. The railway don't almost complete when the thing come out in the news. They don't tell you anything. When they make their 12-state Sharia law, they not shout too much. At the end of the day, we still can't know, say, then, see what happen. Okay, now, make I give you another one go blow in our mind. Remember, say, one Buhari daughter married in 2016. Okay? Could you believe, say, the marriage don't break up for a very, very long time? The public don't know. Now, when we see, after the marriage break up, now in Gabashi now then come and come talk, see, they won't prove the guy. That's to show, see, the guy, when they marry Buhari daughter for millions upon millions of dollars fraud, what they do before. But when they marry Buhari daughter, they not prove the guy. But the thing where they try to tell you, say, the marriage don't break up since now today when we didn't know, see, marriage don't break up since. They don't tell you anything. So when we go to nyan less, then they do more action. Because they don't tell you anything what they do. So the only way to actualize these two nations, this when would they agitate for now coming together? Majority they always win the vote. Even now, when Sunday Igboho started this thing recently, the agitation, everywhere does scatter already. Not to talk, say Biafra, IPOB, Oduduwa, Yoruba people, anywhere in the world come together. You see, Asoro will go ground zero. And by then, they will be powerless. Now, the only way to achieve this struggle be that coming together. As Oduduwa people now done, they carry body, they come meet Biafran people. Biafran people, they carry body. That is Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. Go see they carry him body. Although we don't see many occasions when in don't support Yoruba people. And the same thing Yoruba people now want that they try now to give back to Biafran people. That is, all of us will come like, unite together to actualize this struggle. Nothing when we bring this the actualization of Biafra and Oduduwa. When we bring and come if we not unite together. Because when they see say unity day among Oduduwa people and the Biafran people, it will make everybody go crazy. That is the end of this one Nigeria. Although we know say it don't disintegrate small. APC people now, they don't talk true. PDP, they don't realize, say, man, this thing they come, and that's so it be. They come. So, now unity, when Funky D come preach today again, I say, make I add them on, waiting Sunday, Igboho come tell us today. Okay? Make Mazen Nnamdi Kanu come together with Sunday Igboho. Make Sunday Igboho come together with Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. So, whatever, leave your AAC, join this struggle of a thing, so that. But though we know now, say all of them don't they come back to una normal senses, because una know say that one Nigeria na fraud and no go ever work and had never worked before. So now, so unity, all of us of freedom, whether Yoruba, Igbo, Biafran, Oduduwa, all of them come together. Now him be that Biafra and Oduduwa they talk before you know what it happen. I say. Fulani must go. They must find where they go belongs to. And so the matter be. They will find where the one belongs to. Because by the time when we will finish with them, themselves. So make we read how they tell us, say, if Biafrans are attacked again, we would have no option than to support them. Now Sunday Igboho. I think Yoruba Nation is going too far. This is news, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know who is writing, but from the writer, okay? I think Yoruba Nation is going too far with the new announcement that was made by Sunday Igboho this evening. IPOB and Yoruba Nation are still under the federal government of Nigeria. How can you think of collaborating with Biafran to dare the federal government of Nigeria? I think the leader of Yoruba Nation and IPOB should be warned before federal government takes action on them. There is no action that APC people won't take. The action they don't already take now. The whole world don't see what they happen. And I'm talking to the writer, ladies and gentlemen. The whole world don't see what they happen in Biafran land. The killings, the injustice, whether they do to the Biafran people, which action they won't take again rather than the waiting they don't do. So, like I said before, the only thing when we shake, when we disorganize that country totally, now when IPOB and Oduduwa comes together, and we they wait and we know say the time they come, the time is drawing closer and closer and closer. IPOB and Oduduwa must unite together to bring about the actualization of the sovereign state of Biafra and Oduduwa nation. They must come together. That is the meaning, Mr. Writer. There is no federal government of Nigeria. What we have in Nigeria is not a government. The popular Yoruba activist Chief Sunday Adeyomu Igboho is popularly known as Igboho Osa, declared support for the Biafran people in the statement that was posted on the Facebook page of his spokesman Olayomi Adekunle. He said, any attack on the Biafran people is an attack on the Yoruba people because Biafrans and Yoruba are brothers. For sure. For sure. This statement was released this evening by Chief Sunday Igboho spokesman Olayomi Adekunle. The press release say, we would like to inform the federal government of One Nigeria that any attack on the southeast is an attack on Yoruba people. Biafra people have been targeted by the Nigeria army, and any further attacks on them, we would have no other option than to support our brothers and sisters in Biafran land. Sunday Igboho spokesman Olayomi Kauki released video clip to tell the public that the statement is directly from Chief Sunday Igboho. So, the writer continued, said, in my opinion, I think as IPOB leader and Sunday Igboho should be warned because federal government has what it takes to destroy the secessionist group in Nigeria. You know, now not as they write all these things. They don't have anything. If they have anything, they will not destroy IPOB for a very, very long time. Even the failure for them not to be able to bring down IPOB, that is the beginning and the end of the FG. That's the beginning and the end. Look, like I said before, the only problem solving in this situation, the only way we can get this Biafra and Oduduwa fast now when we come together. I don't tell you this, and I don't see and say it must to happen. A day they come when IPOB worldwide and the Oduduwa nation worldwide go join hand together to leave that nation called the Sioux. So now the Oduduwa and the Biafran people, they say they don't want one Nigeria again. So you got to, leave them alone and stop complaining because you refused to put things in place for the masses. One love. Don't forget to subscribe. All right. Bye.